YouTube cards are interactive features added to YouTube videos that can be used to promote other videos, playlists, websites, merchandise, or channels. We recommend adding YouTube cards to all of your videos to help cross-promote other videos or your playlists, as well as link to your website. To add a YouTube card to one of your videos, go to the YouTube Studio, then click Videos. Once you're on the channel's video page, select the video that you'd like to add a YouTube card to. Click the pencil or details to bring up the video details, and then scroll down until you see cards on the right hand side. Select cards, and that'll bring up the cards element. And here there are a variety of different cards that we could add to a particular video, from linking to a video, linking to a playlist, linking to a channel, or here you could add in a link if you are a YouTube partner. When you add in a link card, you have to link to a website that is registered with your YouTube channel, and you register your website to the YouTube channel by verifying the website within Google Search Console. So you can only link to websites that are in your Google Search Console account and verified with your YouTube page. To add a video card to a YouTube video, select video, and then select the video that you'd like to link to. So in this case, we're talking about Raven Tools, so I'm going to link to how to create an SEO report with Raven Tools. So I'll select that video. Here you could add a custom message if you choose. I'm going to leave this blank for now, or teaser text if you'd like. And then you select where you'd like the video card to show up. So we'll play the video from the
Raven
beginning.
Tools is an SEO-focused software that allows you to do site audits, keyword tracking, and SEO reporting. We really like to use Raven Tools for the SEO reporting specifically, and I'll link a video below that gets into that a bit deeper.
That is exactly where I'd like to link that, so I'll drag this over. So now, actually, drag it a little bit to the left so it starts while I'm talking about it.
Specifically, and I'll link a video below that gets into that a bit deeper, but also there's
And
site
here
auditors
is where the card shows up, and then we could actually click over to the video
Then
here. We could click to the video here. If you'd like to add another card, just hit plus card and then select the type of card that you'd like to add, and when you're finished, hit save. And that is how you add a YouTube card to a YouTube video.